Welcome to my review of the Free website. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what this internet service provider has to offer. As one of the major players in France, Free provides a variety of services, including mobile plans and broadband. First impressions of the site are that it's clean, straightforward, and functional, but the real question is, how well does it serve users? The homepage is simple, with clear links to their main offerings like broadband, mobile services, and various packages. Navigating around is easy, and the layout does a good job at showcasing the company's services. However, while the site is functional, the design feels somewhat outdated. It could benefit from a more modern look, but that's a small complaint considering how easy it is to find what you're looking for. The real focus here should be on the services Free provides. They offer a variety of packages for both mobile and broadband. Their internet plans are competitive, especially in terms of pricing. You can get high-speed internet for a very affordable rate, but there are some limitations depending on where you're located. Free's mobile services also have competitive pricing, but coverage can vary, which is something to keep in mind. One thing that stood out to me was how straightforward Free makes it to compare plans. The site offers detailed breakdowns of each plan's features, speeds, and prices, which is great for users who want to make an informed decision. However, this also leads to some confusion when trying to select the right plan, as there are numerous options available with fine print details that could be hard to understand for some people. Many useful links you can find in the description. While Free's customer support is generally responsive, the website could be more transparent about the support options. It's not always clear where to go for assistance, and the FAQs don't cover every possible issue. In my experience, contacting them directly was the best way to get a resolution, but again, some improvements in this area would be helpful. The checkout process on the website is pretty standard. It's quick and easy, and you can select your plan and services without too much hassle. However, there are some upselling tactics that some may find annoying. These are common with many internet providers, but it's still worth noting that you should stay alert during the checkout process. In terms of performance, Free's internet service is reliable for most users. Their mobile plans offer good data speeds in most urban areas, but you may experience slower speeds or limited coverage in rural regions. Overall, Free's website does a good job at showcasing the company's offerings, but there are areas for improvement, especially in terms of customer support and site design. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments what you think about Free, and if you had any experiences with their services.